What is going on, guys? We are back, so we're gonna go a little over the specs of my wheels. I didn't go over it when I was having the rolling shots. I'm gonna try to get better rolling shots of the car. So I'm gonna do this before it rains. So today's a beautiful day, but tomorrow is supposed to be raining. So let's start with the front. So the wheels are ESRs CS8s, so they're 19 inches all around. The front is 19 by 9.5 plus 35 offset. Tires are 245 40 19s, the Lente tires. Now the rears, these are 19 by 10.5 plus 22 offset. Matches my exhaust pretty well. So yeah, I mean, look at the concaves. Trying to get a new grill for that. But yeah, guys, I got the idea. You know, I want it to be different. Everybody's running either black wheels or they're running what is it, silver wheels or whatever. But me, I want to run something different, so I went with the blue wheels. And I mean, I think it looks really well. So oh yeah, so the back, like I said, they're 19 by 10.5 plus 22 or 23 offset. I'm not 100% sure. They are wrapped in 255 40 19s, so they're pretty meaty. So I had to roll my fenders from the last setup, so it fits pretty well. It doesn't rub, nothing, it's all good. Yeah, my reaction coilovers over there. So I want to get big brakes for this. I reused the same lug nuts from the last setup. So these tires, the Lente tires, they actually feel really good. If anything, if you guys hear the wind, I'm so sorry. It's very windy up here, so, or windy down here. But yeah, guys, that's what the car is looking like right now. You know, got my lights, my intake duct. But yeah, I was just trying to make this quick video of the specs, because a lot of you guys are asking me what are the specs of the wheels, and you know,